Hello, my name is Queen Daniel Precious. I I was the past queen of this organization, yes, and this is like I've been here like forever.
Okay.
I was their queen back in 2018.
Oh,
Yeah, so since then, it's been a fun-filled experience for us every December.
wow.
I always look forward to every Christmas because of the idoma International Carnival and finally the Nigerian Carnival Queen. And yeah, I'd say it's been increasing by the day.
Oh,
Yeah, by each year we grow bigger and better, and
wow.
it's really something to be proud of.
Hmm.
Yeah, the outgoing queens, yeah, I'll say they tried, they did their best, they
Okay.
were well behaved, and they carry out their pet project. They actually live up to the standard, and I'd say personally I am proud of them, and I wish them well in their next endeavor. uh with what has been happening, it keeps increasing by the year, like I say.
Okay.
So I know that next year is always going to be bigger and better
Okay.
for the organization. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Shout out
Shout out to
to
Madam
Madam
Peace
Peace TV.
TV.
I am Mrs. Ladi Kalamu
Okay.
from Plateau State.
Wow.
Yes.
So how do you feel today?
I just came to Grace for the first time. I've never attended. I said, let me just come and see what this carnival is all about.
Okay.
Because I've attended that of Calabar. I just said, let me attend this one and see how it looks
So
like.
that you can balance
But
it.
yes, but since I came, it has been wonderful.
Wow.
I came in yesterday and I've enjoyed my stay in Otukpo with the pounded yam. I ate pounded yam and fish, and I'm so excited to
Wow.
be here. I'm so excited. People, I advise that this kind of a thing, people should come out, and our ladies, the intelligent ones, should come out and showcase their talents, because we need more of these ladies to be able to raise the younger ones a good moral, because some of them, as we are going to see, they are going to be role models to others, and that is what we are expecting in this carnival. All right, a shout out to Madam Peace TV.